Give me razor, give me razor, give me sharpener. Take your pencil, bring my umbrella. Look at the sun, look at me, look at the stars. Why are you? Call me. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Happy shower. When you get up, I get up at 7 o'clock. I should be ready to my child to go to school. Came down, call me back, return here. Have a shower. It is a delicious food. My father took rest in the drawing room. He goes to toilet in the bathroom. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping on the bed. The aunt is eating in the dining room. What are you cooking? I cooking chicken curry. Throw the ball, pick up the ball, have a shower, have your breakfast. The baby is weeping. The birds are flying. The man is sitting under the tree. The tree beside the house. The fishes are swimming in the pond. The cat is sitting under the tree. You put the ball on the table. An angry boy, a happy boy, a happy baby, an angry girl, a sad girl, a happy girl, an angry baby, a sad boy, a sad baby. A big dog, a small dog, a big cat, a small cat, a big bird, a new table, an old table, a new chair, an old chair. Where is a frog? The frog on the roof. Where is a rooster? In the pond. Where is a rabbit? In the mud. Where is a pig? On the grass. A ball on the box, a ball in the box, a bee over the jar, a cookie on the jar, a cookie in the jar, a cookie under the table. There is a backpack under the table. There is a telephone on the table. There is a fish in the fish bowl. There is a bird on the roof. তোমার সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।